Raffles is the birthplace of the famous Singapore Sling. But even before its creator shook the world with that concoction, he came up with another, which is much more first class.
It's called the $1 Million Cocktail, created in 1910s. It's more of the egg white, gin sour, slightly on the fruitier side, more on the drier side. Some sweet vermouth and homemade grenadine syrup. The next ingredient will be the pineapple juice. After that, we will just need the dry shake. So dry shake is basically shaking the cocktail without the ice. There's no dilution, there's no chilling, but this one is required for creating the foam for the cocktail, which is very essential. After the dry shake, we'll just add some ice. And let's give it a nice shake. So now our cocktail is nicely chilled, and we will fine strain it. And the $1 Million Cocktail complete. Please enjoy.